Park City, Utah.
Duxbury, Massachusetts.
Hooksett, New Hampshire.
Attleboro, Massachusetts.
San Diego.
Albany, New York.
Norwell, Massachusetts.
Colorado.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Granby, Connecticut.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, we've been thrilled with Face Off Factory. I think Coach Nardella is great. All of these different drills have been a wonderful experience for him.
I love the competition. They get some one-on-one attention, they get looks from all sorts of different coaches, and they're learning from the best. And it's not just face-offs, it's the all-around player.
Just wanted to come and get reps against some of the top face-off folks in the country.
He can get some training from other kids and other coaches and see what he needs to work on to become better.
You know, it's pretty impressive just in the day and a half that he's been here, how much I noticed he's improved, which is great.
Face Off Factory is a blast. He has a good time, meets good friends, and enjoys the coaches.
The coaches are fantastic. Getting a lot of good reps against some of the best face-off guys in the country.
My biggest advice to all you guys, continue to hit the wall, continue to shoot, continue to have the stick in your hand every single day outside of just facing off, right? Because facing off is great and it's what's gonna get you on the map and get looks, but if you guys wanna get it to the next level, you've gotta be a complete guy.